I love being outside, the feeling of being out there. Out here, I get to cook with like an incredible view. We are in Avon, Colorado. Out that window, we're looking at Beaver Creek Mountain. A little to the east is Vail. It's a place that our family's been coming to since my kids were babies, and we just love it. It's our, happy place, so to speak. We love entertaining, we always have, probably in my blood. My parents were caterers. So I grew up having lots of events, and we host people here all the time and show everyone Colorado and what we love. And being able to, cook and entertain and do stuff outdoors, we love it. I think I cook outside 10 times more than I cook inside. So when we decided to do the kitchen here, the idea was to create an outdoor area so we could have people outside. People could be swimming, people could be cooking, people could be eating. We could do it all. I had been dreaming of the Kalamazoo for years at that point, and I knew that's what we wanted. The Kalamazoo kitchen is my dream kitchen. I mean, we get to do things out there that I never thought I'd be able to do outdoors, so it is like a dream come true. When you're outside and you're at the grill, people can face you, people sit at the stools, you can interact while you're cooking. I love that. There's something really nice about that experience. And for me, I love watching how people can enjoy what you make. It's just a fun experience to bring people together and have them enjoying a fun time and good food.